Is your parking brake or brake fluid warning light stuck on your dashboard? In this video, I'll show you how to fix and reset the parking brake and brake fluid warning light, step by step. Let's get started. What do these warning lights mean? When the brake warning light comes on, it usually means one of three things. Your parking brake is still engaged, your brake fluid is low, or there's a problem in your braking system that needs immediate attention. Ignoring this light can be dangerous, so let's go through the fixes. Step 1. Check the parking brake. Start with the basics. Make sure the parking brake is fully released. Sometimes, even a partially engaged handbrake will keep the light on. Try engaging and releasing it a few times, this can help reset the switch. Step 2. Check your brake fluid level. Pop the hood and locate the brake fluid reservoir, usually on the driver's side near the firewall. If the fluid is below the min mark, top it up with the recommended .3 or .4 brake fluid. Important: low brake fluid often means your brake pads are worn down, or there may be a leak in the system. Step 3. Inspect brake pads and lines. If the fluid keeps going down or the light stays on, inspect your brake pads. Worn pads cause fluid to drop. Also check for any fluid leaks around the calipers or brake lines. Step 4. Check the brake fluid sensor. Sometimes the sensor inside the fluid reservoir gets stuck or fails. Tap it gently or unplug and plug back the sensor connector. If faulty, you might need to replace it. Step 5. Clear warning light if needed. In most cars, the warning light will turn off automatically once the issue is fixed. But if it doesn't, use an OBD2 scanner to clear any stored codes related to the brake system. You can find the ones I personally recommend tagged below this video in the product section. They're reliable and work for most cars. And that's how you fix and reset the parking brake and brake fluid warning light. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick car fix tutorials. Still having problems? Drop your car model and year in the comments, I'll try to help you directly. Thanks for watching.